Volkswagen air conditioner not blowing cold. Why is your Volkswagen air conditioner blowing warm? Let's find out. This is for a 5th generation Volkswagen Jetta, Passat, EOS, all those. Possibly work on other ones, but you need to get familiar with your buttons. That's how you're going to get cold air conditioner. That's how you're going to fix your air conditioner. Let's get to know them. Temperature, keep it low. Turn it all the way to the left, max cold. That's your fan speed. Pump that fan speed up. More flow, more go. Direction, blow it in your face. Heated seats, you don't need them. Put them at 0. Defroster, you don't need it. Turn it off. Recirculation, you want that button pressed on. AC button, you want that button pressed on. That little middle button is not a button at all. So turn it all the way to the left, maximum cold. Make sure it's blowing in your face. Right there in your face. Turn your fan speed up and make sure those 2 lights come on. One for recirculate, that's like your turbo button. And the other light needs to be on for your air conditioner. That's going to kick the compressor on. That's how you make and fix your Volkswagen air conditioner. Don't forget the recirculation button. Unless you smoke in your car, then you don't want to recirculate that smoke, okay? Now, I hope you enjoy your cold Volkswagen air conditioner. Enjoy it. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate.